ready to rumble. Let's do this. I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. It looks like it's just been consolidating after the ridiculous movement it's had during Asia and London. London was chef's kiss. London was amazing. My dog's sighing like he has such a difficult life. Anyways, let me do this quickly. Sorry, I'm adding things where I can. There we go. Hey, what's up, OTT? How you doing? How are you? Sorry, I'm being a little bit quiet, don't mind me. OTT, are you gonna play? Play. So starting great. Are you gonna trade this afternoon, or are you waiting to see? What's the plan? Tell me, what are the plans? Planned. Good, looking forward to get on charts. Indeed, I'm leaning more for shorts. Oh, interesting. So a bit of like a retracement. So you're thinking that's what's gonna happen next. A little bit of a retracement back down. I mean, that would be quite cool. If it does. If it does. Let's see. I'm gonna be A, because obviously I don't want to give back what I've given. Oh, I'll cry. So I'm trying to sort this out quickly. I'm trying to be as quick as possible before the stream, before New York opens. I'm adding all them new peoples, all them new members, that they all have access to the memes. I mean, that is what the membership does. You get access to the memes, which is pretty cool. Last one, and then you guys have my full and utter attention. And boom, just like that, I'm done. Okay. Let's see, so, okie dokie, so it did drop. Interesting, when it broke past this line, it did then drop properly, went back up. So either way, I mean, it did eventually hit where I was wanting it to hit. It just had to mess around a bit first, so that's okay. Hey, Reed, what's up? New session, new trades. That's valid. OTT, you know what, that's valid. I must look at it more like that. Oh, Frank, what's up? How you doing? How are you, Frankie? How's it been going? Okay, there we go. My focus is back. It's now fully on you guys. Okay, looks like London low was basically London open. So that's cool. This theoretically be London high, but it was taken. I've like nothing to mark out. That's kind of weird. Oh yeah, Franks, you have access to the memes now. Just saying, you got gifted a membership, so yeah, you have access to the memes now. Hey Dom, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? Okay, but OTT, you are correct. I'm gonna forget like London happened. That I'm gonna pretend that was a different day, different story. Now we go. There's still, it was right above here. Hey, It was relative equal, actually, the wicks, and then it was a nice fair value gap on the 1 hour here. It wasn't the 4 hour, it was the 1 hour. How am I? Dom, you know what? I can't complain. I can't complain. This morning's London session was awesome. Yeah, this morning's London session was awesome. As you can see here, had an amazing trade there. So that was cool. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Up decently for the day, so that's also exciting. Goes like you win when you're done, or you make a certain amount, you're done. What would be, I don't know, like maybe, sure, if I can make $1,000, I would definitely be like, I'm done for the day. Thanks very much. You don't trade oh, what? So 1 win and you're done, 500. Yeah. I don't want to be too greedy with it. I mean, being up $600 is amazing. Amazing. I'm never gonna complain about being $600 up. Oh, thanks, Dom. Yeah, it was a goodie. It was a goodie. So let's see what New York brings. I see there's news at 10. Do we think this is gonna be, it says it's high impact here. It said that before and then nothing like amazing happened. So do we think this is gonna be high impact? Hi Bob, how you doing? How goes it? My Bobby Bob? It's for everybody.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning to everyone that's on like the other side of the world. Good afternoon to everyone else, and good evening to some others, depending on where you at. Okay. Okay. We're treating this like a new session. I did. But it was, yeah, it was awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I mean, obviously I would have been up more there. Ugh, it's fine. It is what it is. But yeah, cannot complain. It was a good trade. I literally just then did a trailing stop, as you can see. Every new high I just trailed it up, and that's when it took me out. So yeah, definitely can't complain. It was a goodie. 730 is broke. Be careful zone. 717 to pull back. So a lot of you think this is going to be potentially a short New York session, right? So basically New York is going to be a reversal. Is that what I mean, there's such a huge imbalance to full. It wouldn't surprise me. Hey, go have fun. What's up? How you doing? Like I said, there is this news. Who knows? Is it supposed to be high impact? I know, but it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. Like I said, I still can't complain at the fact that I'm up $610. It's making me, no, don't say that. I was gonna say it's making me want to like not trade the New York session, but no, if I have an A+ setup, I trade like normal. It was Jordy, what's up? How you doing? It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Jordy, I'm waiting to see where this goes. I'm waiting to see what happens here. I'm all eyes. I was gonna say all ears, but all eyes. Hey BK Trading, what's up? How's it going? The song, my bad. Feeling crazy today. What song is it? Now I kind of want to listen to it. Attention. Attention for what? It's not 9:30 yet. We still got 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes and then we're ready. I'm feeling crazy today. That's okay, you know what? I am crazy today, so we go for it. Today was just too hot to do anything. Jordy, I don't know what that side of the world is like, but damn, has it been hot. Wow! Everyone that's in winter, do you want to send some of your cool weather this way? I won't complain. Because we mature and have a taste in music. Wow. Wow. Now I feel like I have bad taste in music. The fact that I don't know what song that is. It's a thing. Hey, Phoenix, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Huge whoop whoop. That is awesome. Phoenix, I don't think I asked this morning, but what strategy do you use, by the way? But yes, for anyone that has indeed had a lovely little win, right? Winning at life, winning at everything. This is for you. Huge whoop whoop to all of you. There we go. Whoop whoop. That song is older than me. Ah. This song is older than most of us in here. I was about to ask Jordy, damn, how old are you? Just kidding. Up to 585 before any type of reversal. What? You think it's gonna go up to like 850? 850 before any type of reversal. Oh, wait, where did my... There it is. There's the level. Sorry, this is someone's TP from earlier, so I don't know if he got taken out or not, but I'm curious to see if it hits there. So you are not the first to say around that 850 level. Huh, interesting. Okay, so 850 is a juicy, juicy level. Let's see where this heads. Use my own derived strategy, and you call it Phoenix Cloak. I mean, that's valid. It's quite catchy, I'm not gonna lie. PHX, CLK, you're welcome. I mean, that's quite cool. Call it that. Phoenix Cloak, that's awesome. My soul is old. I like old school stuff way more than the trash. Not. To be fair, that is valid. That is so valid. I love going out and listening to like 80s and 90s music. Even 2000s is not bad. There's some bangers from back in the day. Yes, I just said bangers. Bangers and mash. Moving on. Oh, we're gonna... Okay, we're starting great, guys. We're starting great. Yapology's already started early. Let's do this. Hey, Alex, how you doing? How's it going? Joy of travel? If we do that, we're outside the weekly volume. Can't judge me, must pump up legit. You're right, I can't. I really can't. Can't. I forgot about that. That is so funny. Oh my gosh, I feel like I need to get like I just spoke gibberish. I feel like I need to get like a little jam meme. When it starts pumping, I'm gonna just put a jam thing there. Maybe there's a jam emoji. Is there jam? Where's the food at? Jam, 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 jam. Oh, I don't see any jam. That would have been hilarious when it starts pumping. Put a little jam jar there, and if people are like, what is happening? Be like, pumping up the jam. Oh, I'm so lame. Okay, moving on. Oh, hello. Well, hello, 9:30. I got something in my eye. Just don't be weird with that, but... Whoa. Whoa. Holy FU candle indeed. What is happening? Okay, let's do this. It's a bearish value gap before it gets there, but yeah. 850s is where the next large volume is at. Okay. So a lot of people rooting for 850s. Do you think there's gonna be, well, this pullback first before we get there? Again, testing this out. So here's the 930. Excuse me, thank you. There's the 930 range. Then gotta mark out the first presented fair value gap and the 5-minute range. Let's see how this goes. That first minute candle was on a mission. Mike M, no. No. No to, do we think it's retracing before continuing? Is that what we're saying no about? I mean, I get it, but still. Okay. Oh, Geordie. Man. Now that damn song is stuck in my head. Pump up the jam. Pump it up while your feet are stomping. Stomp, stop. Okay, moving on. Hey, bro. I'm good, thanks, and you. I can't complain. Sorry, you walked in on me being all different types of weird and wonderful, but in the same breath, I'm so sure you guys are used to that by now. Weird is just part of it. Is it gonna tap into VWAP? Is it gonna tap back down into Bob level? Let's see, let's see. Was that like the move until news at 10? Again, does anyone know if news at 10 is a big deal or not? I don't know if I trust this thing anymore. Every single news thing I've hit says high impact. So, you know, my trust in that is not great. My goodness, I remember roller skate. Bob, I love that so much. I love that so much. Oh no, now it's gonna be stuck in my head all day. You guys are welcome. Okay, just thanks. I take that back. It could retest to 560. How many years had I been around? Hey, Phoenix Cloak. 0 years. 1 year in April, actually. Yeah. I will be. Yeah, would have been trading for 1 year in April. Yeah, it's implanted in my head too. Can never unsee your friend. You are welcome. Okay, you're welcome. You got the Maya special. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 40. Let's quickly have a sneak peek. Okay, as soon as I mark out the 5-minute, I'll quickly check the higher time frames as well. Long jam, what impressive. Oh, thanks, Felix. Yeah, listen, it's been a journey. Don't get me wrong. Nothing about trading is easy. Not one singular part of it. No, it's not easy. It's not easy. I feel like you could be going through a really good streak and then you could just get demolished, for lack of a better word. Was that like the candle and now it's gonna chillax a little bit, yeah? Okay. Maybe not. Dropping a little bit further. I nearly got excited. I was like, is this gonna be the itty bitty? Nope. The itty bitty first presented fair value gap? The answer to that is nope. Okay, let's quickly then now go 5-minute. Yeah, okay, so there's the first 5-minute candle. Mark this out. 5-minute candle. Okie dokie. Here we go. There we go. Bob level to bob level. Mwah. Chef's kiss. Beautiful. Let's quickly, now I'm gonna just close everything off and I want to see 15-minute. Are we just gonna retest back down? I mean, sure. Sure. There's this whole inverse fair value gap going on right here as well. Do we think it might want to tap back into this? What level is this? I mean, it's quite far down, but it's, yeah, the 420-ish levels. It's possible. It is possible. Let's see. And 1 hour. Okay, this 1 hour fair value gap looks like it's now just been tapped into. Again, you do still have this going on down here. On contract. Okay, I've been around 2 years in margin. Nothing easier trading. Found my first strategy late July. Oh, nice. See, no, it's interesting. Love the first 5-minute candle. Jordy, you break. VWAPing up. Interesting. Okay. I'm on the 1 hour. I'm quickly gonna get confirmation from the 4 hour now as well. Actually, damn, you're right. It might just come sort out this imbalance here and then just keep going up and away. Hey, I see. Here's this 850 level. Interesting. Okay. Go back to the 1 minute. Let's put all the chaos back up. Here was our first presented, just BT dubs. Yes, I said BT dubs because I'm lame. It's part of the fun. Okay, first presented fair value gap. Let's do this. A little bit of respect going on there. Not much, but a little bit. Nope, I take that down there. Cool. We just got an order block. It's going up and back to both levels. I can't lie, those volume on point in lifetime super juicy. Honestly, I mean, to be fair, it's where my TP was right here. Do you see how close it was to tagging me in? I had it, yes, there. This was my TP for London, 717. Oh, it was like 2 ticks away. That little meanie benini. Oh well. Yeah. Only 2 things there. That would not have been a good trade. That would be a little bit risky. Maybe successful, but risky. Hey, apple butter, thank you. Yeah, London was nice this morning. Cheers, Phoenix. Don't stress. Yeah, guys, like I said.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Welcome to everybody that's just hopped on. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope it's gonna, well, I hope it's gonna be green all the way, right? Now we continue. But need a bunch of confirmations first before we hip in on this. Okay, I'm gonna stop. The apology is coming into play solidly today. My bad. It's okay. So, who's thinking bullish? Who's thinking bearish? Trend is friend until it's not, right? So, let's see. Potential change of character has happened here, especially on the higher time frames. Still need to wait for confirmation, though. Describe it, but here we are. Here we are indeed. I take it back. OTT's right there. What the? Why'd you put the goat on? You're the goat. Are you the greatest of all time? I'm not even gonna lie. I am low